Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Monday, August 24, 2020, and in our spelling class we are going to work with spelling this number 21. So we are going to start. This week we are going to work with page number 40, and today we are just going to learn the words from 1 to 10 of page number 40. So, I'm going to repeat the words once and then you are going to repeat it after me. Number 1, aren't. Number 2, didn't. Number 3, can't. Number 4, don't. Number 5, isn't. Number 6, won't. Number 7, hasn't. Number 8, wasn't. Number 9, wouldn't. Number 10, haven't. All of them finish with letter T. They have apostrophe and letter T. Why? Because they are contraction words. So we're going to start. Number 1, aren't. Aren't you tired after working hard all day? So all those words are contractions in a negative form. No, no son, no I. There aren't any apples on the ground. There aren't. Okay, number 2. I'm sorry that I didn't remember your birthday. I didn't. No, tampoco, nunca. I didn't do it. Like this girl is telling to his mother that she didn't do the disaster that is here. Number 3. Mom, can't believe what a great job I did cleaning my room. So, Mom was amazed. Can't, no puedo, no puede. Okay. 2 wrongs don't make a right. Don't. No, ni, tampoco. I don't want to be nice. No quiero. No. My little brother isn't feeling well today. Isn't. He isn't. She isn't feeling well today. No es, no está. Will. Jenny has a sore throat and won't be singing. Won't. No, no puede. Connor hasn't finished his homework yet. Hasn't. No ha hecho, no ha tenido. She has. We use has for the third person singular. For girls or for boy. She has or he has. And in a negative form is she hasn't or he hasn't. 8. Wasn't that a really interesting story? Wasn't, no era, no fue. And we use it at the beginning of one rhetorical question. Number 9. The job wouldn't take so long if we all worked together. Wouldn't, no, no sería. And the number 10. The plants haven't been watered for days. Haven't. No, nunca. Homework time. This week you are not going to work in repetition. What we are going to do is that you are going to write or create some flashcards. So pay attention to what you are going to do. You are going to look for one bond sheet of paper or one construction paper, and you are going to double until the half. First, to the half of the bond sheet of paper. Then you are going to double the half again, and you're going to get 4 quarters of the sheet of paper. So now you have 4 parts, and you are going to divide each one of the pages into 4 parts. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts, right? So you're going to cut with your scissors each one of the parts, and you're going to write the words from word number 1 to word number 10. So word number 1 is word orange. So the first word that you're going to write here is the word orange, and you're going to have 10 of those ones. On Friday you have dictation, don't forget it, so please study your words. That was everything for today's class. I hope you are fine at home. Praying for you. Please keep safe. Don't get outside if it is not necessary. And I see you until next class. Blessings from the Lord. Bye. Take care. Hugs and kisses.